I decided to add windows to the upper walls only, since the only time we would use them is when the camper is popped up. This will also keep the camper a bit more secure when closed as well. These are porthole style windows for a boat, but I think they'll work fine for the camper. Sure, the windows are small, but the camper is mainly for sleeping, and we try to spend as much time outside as we can. The wall was slightly too thick for the window, so I used my grinder to relieve some of the foam around the window. This will all be hidden by the wall covering down the road. I tied the outer window to the inner window with stainless steel bolts and nuts. After the camper is painted, the windows will go in permanently with a window seal. I ran into a slight problem with the roof. When the roof is popped up and the walls are not up yet, the roof was only supported by the lift struts, which made the roof a bit wobbly. I decided to use removable straps made with 1.5-inch webbing and stainless steel snaps. The straps will hold the roof securely in place while folding up the walls, and the straps can be left on or removed at camp. When the walls are up, this thing is solid as a brick shithouse. The addition of the straps made a huge difference in the roof stability during the short time the roof is up without the walls. I'm super pleased with the result. Not only is it working well, but it's super lightweight as well. Here you can see how easy they are to remove and to put back on. I purchased 6 of these roof latches with 2 of them being lockable. It's a pretty basic installation. I use at least 2 stainless through bolts and nuts on each of the latches to be sure the roof is securely held down. Here you can see the 2 stainless steel bolts and nuts that go through the camper. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.